Video 28. Data Backups. In the previous lesson, we learned how to export drawing data into multiple formats at once using Allplan Exchange. And this is the last lesson of the Allplan Engineering tutorial video series. And I will introduce you to the most important thing in the project. That is protecting project data by Create Project Backup or Data Backup. You return to the model environment. One. Create a backup one or some files. If you only need to backup one or some files, you must go into this project. Open the drawing file to be saved. Select Save Copy As, then select the desired path. When needed, how will we put in the project? We open the existing project folder Explorer. Select the project, right-click on the left corner project window, select Open Folder. Now you carefully choose the right name. Corrupted drawing file needs backup. Or a blank drawing you want to place the backup file in. The name is TB000107, for example. Copy the name and to the previously saved file to change it to this name. And then you copy this file and overwrite it in our project directory. Finally, you go into the project to reopen the drawing file that is just backed up to check. We have backed up the content. 2. Entire project. You click on the project symbol. Click on the project to backup, right-click and select Create Project Backup, and choose a location to compress the project file. When needed, simply drag and drop the entire project to here. Then the project is backed up quickly. Alternatively, you turn off Allplan software. Open the Allplan service window. You choose Windows dialog in your operation system and enter All Menu 2020. First, choose the path to place the backup file of the project. Click on Configuration to Backup Path and choose a location, for example, Desktop. Next you choose to Data Backup, Create, Entire Folders, Project. Then select the project name you need to back up and click OK. The project backup has been completed. And when needed, you get back a file or the whole project by the way I mentioned above. And so here we know how data backup for the project. Wish you have an efficient and successful working method with Allplan.